Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to fix voice chat not working in Roblox. So firstly, you need to check if your Roblox account has voice chat enabled or not. To do that, go to the roblox.com website. Then click on the gear button and go to the settings tab. After that, go to the privacy menu. From here, you have to enable a voice chat by toggling this on and clicking on enable. Furthermore, in order to enable voice chat, you need to have verified your age in your account. My age is verified. You can use voice chat only if you are 13 or more aged. After that, let's get into the game. By pressing escape and going to the settings menu, make sure that your volume is set to the max, as well as your input device is the right one. By checking all these settings, you can verify why your voice chat is not working. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.